Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share something truly special with you. If you've ever felt like you're stuck in a cycle of unhealthy habits or overwhelmed by the idea of improving your well-being, you're not alone. I've been there too, trying to figure out how to balance work, family, and self-care without burning out. That's why I was so excited to discover 365 Days of Healthy Living, a resource pack that feels like a personal coach guiding you every single day toward a healthier, happier life. This isn't just another wellness trend. 365 Days of Healthy Living is a lifestyle transformation tool created by John Annavi Olorire, who has poured his heart into helping people make meaningful changes. John's story is one many of us can relate to, losing a loved one to health issues that could have been prevented. That wake-up call inspired him to create something actionable and impactful for anyone ready to take charge of their health. So, what makes this resource pack so special? Let me break it down for you. First, it's incredibly comprehensive. This isn't a one-size-fits-all program. It's a year-long journey designed to meet you where you are. The pack includes daily actionable tasks that are simple but effective. Think of it as a step-by-step guide to building habits that stick, whether it's eating better, staying active, or finding time to unwind. What I love most is how it incorporates visual inspiration. Every day, you get beautifully designed social posts that serve as little nudges to stay on track. Sometimes, we just need a gentle reminder to prioritize ourselves, and these visuals do exactly that. They're not just pretty. They're powerful motivators. Another highlight is the planner toolkit. If you're someone who loves structure, you're going to appreciate this. It's not just about jotting down your to-do list. It's about setting realistic goals, tracking your progress, and reflecting on your wins. There's even a section for managing your finances with health in mind. It's a full-circle approach that keeps you organized and focused. Let's talk about fitness. One of the biggest barriers for many people is the idea that you need expensive gym memberships or fancy equipment to get in shape. Not with this pack. It includes 30 no-equipment exercises that are easy to follow and adaptable for any fitness level. Whether you're at home, in a park, or traveling, you can get a great workout without any hassle. Now, if you're like me, and food is your love language, you're going to adore the recipe section. It's packed with 50 healthy, easy-to-cook meals that don't compromise on flavor. From energizing breakfasts to hearty dinners, these recipes cater to a variety of dietary needs and inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring, and this pack proves it. There's also a section that really stood out to me. The Health Check Guide. It's a wake-up call in the best way. It walks you through common health risks and gives you practical steps to prevent them. Knowledge is power, and this guide empowers you to take charge of your well-being with confidence. What I find truly inspiring is how this resource pack encourages reflection. There's a personal planner that includes weekly and monthly reviews, helping you celebrate your progress and set new goals. It's not just about doing. It's about growing and learning along the way. This resource pack is so much more than just a collection of tools. It's a mindset shift. It's about realizing that small, consistent actions can lead to big, meaningful changes. And the best part? It's designed for everyone, no matter your starting point. If you're ready to invest in yourself, this is a great place to start. I can't tell you how much of a difference it's already made for me, helping me stay accountable, inspired, and committed to my goals. It's like having a cheerleader in your corner, reminding you every day that your health is worth it. Thank you for spending some time with me today. If this sounds like something you'd benefit from, I encourage you to check it out. Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to take the leap, or if you've already started your wellness journey, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might need that extra push toward a healthier life. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.